Hello everyone! Welcome to Learning Strand 1, Communication Skills in English for Elementary Level. Okay, so before we proceed to our lesson, let's have first an activity. I will show you different pictures. So your task is to recognize or identify the following pictures. So tingnan natin kung sino sa inyo ang makapagbigay ng tamang pangalan sa bawat larawan. So let's start. What do we call this object? Okay, very good. Refrigerator. Okay, how about the second one? Okay, very good again. Recital. Okay, the third picture. Okay, very good. Owl. How about this one? Okay, playground. Very good again. Ano naman ang tawag natin sa larawang ito? Okay, very good. Wrist. Okay, so congratulations everyone. Good job. Okay, so based on the given pictures, write a simple sentence out of it. Listen carefully. I will read the criteria kasi ito ang magiging basihan ko sa pag-rate sa ginawa mong sentence. Grammar and spelling, 5 points. Sentence structure, 3 points. Capitalization and punctuation, 2 points. So a total of 10 points. I know some of you are familiar with these terms. So, alamin muna natin, no? Kahit minsan common na mga terms niyan sa iba. Pero minsan may mga terms na kailangan natin gamitin in a very specific lesson. Unlocking of difficulties. Noun represent a specific person, place, animal, or thing. Person, a human being regarded as an individual. Place, a particular position or point in space. Animal, living organisms that feeds on organic matter. Thing, an object that one need. And event, a thing that happens, especially one of importance. Alright, before we start today's lesson, let's first read the learning competencies. First, recognize describing words for a person, place, animal, thing, and events. Second, recognize simple sentences. Third, demonstrate the following work reading skills, applying for a job, preparing a written job application, and preparing a biodata. Our lesson for today is noun. What is noun? Okay, a noun is a word that represents a person, place, animal, thing, and event. Okay, so a noun is a word that names a person, place, animal, thing, or idea. So nouns are the building blocks of sentences, providing the subjects and the objects that actions are performed upon. A noun is a word that names a person. Nouns can be used to name people like mother, policeman, nun, and engineer. So they also encompass a broader range of concepts. A noun is a word that names a place. Okay, so a noun is a word that identifies a specific location such as a city, country, or room. Naming places with nouns helps provide context and describe the setting in written or spoken language. Example, school, hospital, beach, and church. A noun is a word that names an animals. Okay, so while it can be used to name animals like dog, bunny, monkey, and frog. A noun is a word that names a thing. It helps identify objects and concepts, allowing for clear and specific communication. Example, basket, pots, watch, and pencil. A noun is a word that represents an event. A noun is a word that typically names a person, place, thing, or idea rather than an event. Events are usually described by verbs or phrases rather than by nouns in a sentence construction. Example of an event is recital, cosplay, pets day, and kids fair. The dog is in the cage. So in this sentence, the dog is in the cage. Dog and cage are nouns that respectively represent the animal and the object mentioned in the sentence. Nouns like dog and cage serve to identify and describe the subject and the location, providing clarity and specificity in the statement. Joey is riding a car. In the sentence, Joey is riding a car, Joey and car are nouns that respectively represent the person and the vehicle mentioned in the sentence. Nouns like Joey and car help identify the subject and object of the action, enhancing the understanding of who is performing the action and what they are using. Okay, so everybody, what is noun? Okay, very good. So a noun is a word that represents a person, place, animal, thing, or event. For this activity, I will give you different kinds of noun pictures. What you are going to do is to recognize the noun pictures to their correct categories. So this activity is called noun sort. Direction: check the appropriate box that best identifies the given picture. So, may 10 items lahat. So, I will give you 5 minutes to answer the activity. So, your time starts now. What is the importance of nouns in our lives? Applying for a job, preparing a written job application, and preparing a biodata. Okay, so nouns are essential for clear and specific communication, helping us identify and categorize people, places, things, and ideas. In a job application, nouns are crucial for effectively describing your skills, experiences, and qualifications, making your application stand out and demonstrate your suitability for the role. So by using a combination of these nouns, you can create a compelling job application that highlights your strengths and makes a positive impression on potential employers. Nouns are crucial for creating a clear and impactful biodata when applying for a job. They help you to effectively describe your skills, experiences, and qualifications in a way that is both informative and persuasive. By using specific, impactful nouns in your biodata, you can showcase your qualifications effectively and make a strong impression on potential employer. Okay, so for your formative assessment, direction, identify the following pictures if it is a person, place, animal, thing, or event. So write your answer in the space provided. Test 2, direction. Encircle all the nouns that you find in the sentence. Okay, so 1 point per noun. Okay, so I will give you again 10 minutes to answer the activity. So your time starts now. Okay, so time's up. Pass your paper. Okay, for your project, with the use of old magazines, newspapers, and other printed materials, look for 2 pictures of a person, 2 pictures of animals, 2 pictures of events, 2 pictures of things, and 2 pictures of places. Cut it and paste it in a clean bond paper. So below every picture, write its name and use of the following photos in a meaningful sentence. So put design on it. Okay, for the rubrics, specification, relevance to the topic, 10 points, written or composition of sentences, 10 points, proper use of punctuation marks or capital letters, 5 points, and creativity, 5 points. So a total of 30 points. Thank you everyone. God bless us all mga ka-ALS.